Welcome. By this video, we present our new Bind 200 cycles per hour PUR binder, the Adventure. Typified by flexible quality production and exceptional ease of operation, while operator safety is secured by electronic safety controls and covers according to CE. Let's first talk about the great benefits of PUR compared to traditional EVA hot melt. First of all, PUR makes it possible to bind a greater range of products. For instance, PUR can bind with printed, coated paper, plastic paper, and paper with wrong grain direction. Secondly, PUR bound books have better book opening, and finished books are resistant to extreme temperature and humidity conditions. Thirdly, PUR bound books have 4 times stronger page pull strength compared with EVA bound books. Besides, PUR is environmental friendly and makes books easier to recycle. Lastly, but most importantly, with all these benefits, the cost of PUR glue is no more expensive than hot melt thanks to less glue consumption. Let's now have a look at the main machine features. The touch screen. All settings of the machine, like book size, glue length adjustment, temperature, clamp speed, etc., are set by the operator via this touch screen. 50 job memory configurations for frequent book sizes are easily recallable for automatic setting within seconds, also via this touch screen. Exception is the cover positioning, which is done manually using conveniently placed side stops while the backstop sets automatically. The clamp. A heavy-duty book clamp with a sophisticated drive system, electronically controlled, while the inner surfaces of the clamp are treated for easy release of finished books. Clamp speed can be set at 3 different levels according to product requirements. Maximal book thickness 3 mm to 50 mm. Binding length 450 mm. The auto thickness gauge. The setting for book thickness is essential for good book quality. In case of change of product, for automatic setting of the clamp, glue application head and nipping table, the Adventure is equipped with this gauge, which measures the book block thickness in a second. Then all the machine components are automatically adjusted for such product thickness at clamp return point. Milling and notching. Both these important functions are combined on the precise leveled professional milling section, inclusive of spine cleaning brush and suction removal of milling dust by aspirator. The configuration of the milling section is specifically designed for PUR book spine preparation, being very even, microscopic fibers loosening. At the clamp base, milling depth can be micro-adjusted from 0 to 3 mm according to product requirements. The PUR glue application unit. This glue system is a machine-integrated closed system and consists of 3 elements: the melting section, the distribution section, and the slot coating head by extrusion for spine and side glue application per book throughput. It is specifically designed for the use of PUR glue because PUR cures in contact with the humidity, say moisture in the air, and the paper of the product bound. Therefore, any contact of the PUR substance with humid air has to be avoided before application to the book to avoid pre-curing of the glue. This demands for the use of PUR a closed system. However, if the user so wishes, this closed system can be used with traditional hot melt without restrictions, maintaining the productive benefits of the new bind concept, but without the benefits of PUR glue binding. The melting unit is fed with a 2 kg cartridge of solid PUR glue. Temperature of the PUR is controlled at 2 points in the unit via the touchscreen, being the melting point and the application point. thus securing consistency of glue rheological properties. The top of the melting tank is connected to an 8-bar air pressure supply. This air pressure presses the melted PUR into the distribution section and the application head. By changing this air pressure via the dashboard control, one can adjust the glue thickness to the book product as required. Normal PUR glue thickness is from 0.5 to 0.6 millimeters, an important difference compared with traditional EVA hot melt glue applied at 1 to 2 millimeters. The relative humidity of the air pressure has to be below 10%, again to prevent pre-curing. Therefore, the machine is equipped with an air drying system. When the activated machine is idle for binding production for more than 10 minutes, the slot coater closes automatically to prevent pre-curing of the PUR in the coating head. Operational maintenance of the coating head is minimal at the end of the working shift. A protective cleaning and closing procedure with special tools provided with the machine has to be done by the operator at the beginning and the end of the production day. Each procedure takes only approximately 5 minutes. The new Bind PUR unit is worldwide patented and secures optimal quality bound books. An additional environmental and health benefit of our closed system is that it prevents emissions or smoke caused by heated glue. No additional exhaust is required. Pressure and nipping table. The Adventure is equipped with a heavy-duty professional nipping table. Attaching book block and position book cover and pressing side and spine glue in proper adhesion to the cover. In this process, forming a well-defined back of the book. The duration of the pressure time is adjustable in number of seconds depending on product. After completion of the nipping process, the clamp opens automatically and returns to the starting point for reloading, while the operator removes the finished book for horizontal layoff. Now let's look at the actual production process and make some books. For instance, we start with an A4, 10 millimeter book. The operator inputs the length and height of the book to be produced. Then he inserts the book block at the thickness gauge, which can then automatically sets the clamp, glue head, and nipping table to the appropriate book thickness. Now production starts. The cover is manually placed at the nipping press table. The book block is placed in the clamp, and by pressing the 2 start buttons, the complete sequence follows automatically. Clamp closes and moves forward. Milling, PUR application, and nipping pressing are completed. The operator holds and removes the completed book while the clamp returns to its start position. This procedure to be repeated till the required quantity of books is produced. By recalling the pre-programmed job memories at the touchscreen, any different size product can be quickly made intermediately, or as the following production run. Let's see, for instance, we switch to a DIN A5 book of different material, 4 centimeters thick. Apart from the adjustment of the cover stoppers, all settings are made automatically. This provides optimal, flexible productivity. The result is optimal book quality, excellent spine formation, and side glue continuous adhesion. The books are now horizontally lay off and can be trimmed, boxed, etc. But PUR-bound books require a curing time of approximately 20 hours to reach solid binding strength. Before curing completion, the book should not be carelessly opened. The Adventure Concept Binder brings its user the benefits of optimal predictable production, economical on-demand variable book production, quality PUR application, minimum make-ready cost, minimum maintenance cost, and minimum labor cost. Optimal profitability through wider product service options and supreme quality by the new Bind PUR Adventure. The new bind machine concepts are designed with state-of-the-art latest technologies, patented by Newbind SRL Italy, and extensively tested in multiple production installations in Europe, Asia, and USA. The Newbind binders are now manufactured by a first-class team of Chinese and European engineers and technicians at Pinghu Newbind Machinery Company Limited, a licensed China-European joint venture in Zhejiang, China, manufacturing for our worldwide clients, while thus securing optimal technical support to our clients in China and Asia. For more information, please discuss with your authorized distributor. Thank you for your attention.